So part 2 today, after we finish the digital portion, is we need to prep our paper so I can put it in the Cricut machine. Kevin, thank you. So when you look at my final copy here, we've got two different types of paper. One is the background. So what color is my background?
Red.
Yeah, pinkish. Okay. And then what color is like my person? Green. Okay. So basically, we're going to take a piece of paper and we're going to glue it together. So I want yellow as my background and I want red as my like ink or my person, and we're going to glue it together. So what you're going to need, I gave rubber cements, which are these guys here. When you're done with them, you just want to make sure you screw the lid on really well because they dry out really, really fast. I just need to get my piece of paper. I'll show you what we're going to do. But it's not too much work, which is nice. So I'll just do pink and green again, so I have it. And you're going to take a piece of newsprint that's up here in the front of the room. This is just like a placemat. You can throw it out when you're done. It's just so you don't make a mess of the space. You could do it at the center table if you want to, if you don't want to do it at your computer. So if the pink is my background and the green is my ink, I can lay them out like this. I want to put my glue on the person/ink side. So, like I said, that's the green I was talking about here. Person/ink is going to be glued. So I take my glue and I dip it, and it's going to be kind of gloopy. You don't have to brush off a ton, but the idea is that you're going to take the glue and you're literally going to coat the whole paper. Don't worry if it starts to dry, that's fine. But I do want you to go like all the way to the edge. And you're going to just dip and glue as much as you need to, basically. As soon as you have the whole paper done, you're going to place it on top and just let it sit. It dries probably within like, depends kind of on the weather, but I'd say within like 2 to 5 minutes. Yeah. It's meant to be removable too, so you'll notice it's definitely not like crazy glue where it's like super permanent. Like rubber cement's meant to be removable. So if you feel like it's off, you can actually peel it and adjust it. You just have to kind of peel really slowly. So since I'm almost done, like this is a good amount where you can kind of see I really tried not to miss anything, especially along my edges. Perfect. So I'm going to take my top layer here, place it on top, and I can kind of wiggle it till it matches. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be close. And you can apply a little bit of pressure just to kind of scooch it over. And I'm pretty happy with something like that. So what's that? I don't have black because it's like copy paper. So yeah, you can pick anything from that pile on the table though. So then on your background side, I want you to put your name. So I know like that part's going to go face down in the Cricut. If you get little rubber cement stains like that, that will come out. It's not an issue. And that's pretty much all we need to get done today. If you finish your paper, I could actually start using the Cricut to cut the piece for you, which would be really exciting too.